Welcome to the Kapcsandy family State Lane Vineyard. We are here on the 4th of October in the afternoon, and we're in our Merlot Block 1, which we affectionately call Roberta's Reserve. And we are going to be ready to pick this fruit tomorrow morning on the 5th of October, about 12 days ahead of our pick last year in the 2011 vintage. I'm going to show you that we have already dropped some clusters earlier today and all the leaves, getting ready to pick the very best fruit that we can. And this is a perfectly uniform, beautiful cluster of Merlot grapes. This, I would estimate, weighs about 1/4 pound, and it's going to make 1 glass of Merlot wine. The weather conditions in 2012 vintage so far have been absolutely phenomenal, and I would predict that these grapes from Roberta's Reserve block are probably going to produce the finest Roberta's Reserve wine that we have made in our vineyard since we started in 2003. So stay tuned, and we'll know about a year and a half from now. Okay, so we're picking our prized Merlot block today on Friday, the 5th of October, and one of the special techniques we're using is making sure that the ladies that are picking use 2 boxes, one underneath the box that they're going to put the fruit into, because they're sliding that along the ground. And we don't want anything to be brought in from the vineyard soil into the winery. And so once they get the fruit filled, the basket, like here she comes. Buenos dias.
Buenos dias.
They left the other lug out there, and they're going to get a fresh lug and just keep using it because they're sliding those around. Okay? So these clusters look absolutely beautiful, and this probably weighs about 1/4 pound. They're very uniform, perfectly sized. All the fruit is very ripe and in balance. The seeds are brown, the skins are soft, the pulp is very juicy.